Hello, this presentation will show my educational portfolio for the History, Culture, and Society class with Professor Steck. This is an example of our syllabus. This is our twin text experience. I love this assignment because it involved children's literature, and you always want to encourage students to love books, to read, so this was a fun assignment. This was my annual pacing schedule. It was rather challenging because we had to plan for an entire school year. And as you see here, that's what we did. We had to find standards, resources, books that would go with these lessons. The next one is technology investigation. I included the video of my presentation and also the PowerPoint. And this was a very interesting assignment. I wanted to be sure to relate it to present day COVID-19 pandemic, and I was proud of the outcome because it's important to teach children to be geographically literate students. This is my unit outline. This one was also challenging. It required in-depth research on one topic, finding those resources, images, information, standards, rationale. But it did help to increase our knowledge on how to organize a unit. This was my cultural learning experience, which was actually a lot of fun to do. It did not feel like homework at all. I can definitely see myself doing this assignment with my classroom, students, and also their families. And this is an integrated lesson plan. I think a lesson plan is always a work in progress because we could always expand and improve them. This is an example of my community service project, and I was most pleased with this project because it involved helping other people. I love to interact and work with other people. I think learning about different nationalities and cultures enriches our lives, makes us stronger, and it also increases our awareness of the world that we live in, and we should always make room for that. These are some of the resources that this class offered and Professor Steck offered, and I wanted to be sure to include them because they will help us with lesson plans and unit planning, annual planning. So this was an awesome class. I highly recommend Professor Steck.